Good evening, everyone. So I would like to welcome everyone to Jada for tonight's show, Shirley, a musical show. Yes. So if any of you are a big fan or a lover of OPM, I really think you guys are gonna enjoy tonight's show, especially because these kids went into so much work and practice just to perform for tonight. Mind you, a lot of them are grade 12 and for the past month, they had so many activities to do. Like, literally just to graduate. Mind you, this is also a graduating project for them to do tonight. So I would really tell, okay, we have a round of applause for all the performers tonight. I can't believe the amount of talent we have in the senior high school, actually. We have poets tonight, we have bands playing tonight, we have dancers, singers, just any performing arts you can think of, we will have them tonight. And because it's supposed to be a 90s theme also, so it's a little more nostalgic. A lot of the songs tonight are also from like bands from the 90s also, not just OPM. So like, just to tangent, currently wearing clothes from the 90s from my parents also. So. But anyway, so please enjoy tonight's show. And also, you guys are welcome to sing. You don't have to be quiet, you are allowed to sing. So thank you and enjoy tonight's show.
Welcome all to Shadaa Music and Dreams! Before we start the show, kindly make sure that your phones are on silent or turned off. You are welcome to record or take videos, but please make sure the flash is off. This may distract and disorient our performers. We encourage you to cheer and sing along to any songs you know. If you're friends up here dancing, cheer as loud as you can. And in case you're hungry, or thirsty, feel free to buy from Hungry Joints or Cofinos. As always, please be civil and respectful towards your fellow audience members throughout the show. In fulfillment with the final performance task for this school year and semester, Arts and Design proudly presents to you another heartfelt production, an OPM-themed musical show that tells the story of a 90s teenage romance through the characters of Clara, Shirley, and Eric, and various other captivating performances featuring different talented artists in senior high school. Presenting Shirley.
Clar, din ba bitagay dapit?
Sus, kabalo na kung ano. Ganun ka makita nun yan, no?
Daka naman ka?
Sure. Ganun ka. Sus, kagal pa ko. Kaila ko na ka tuloy. Gari pa lang pala ko.
Huh?
Wala. Anak ko lain kayo kagin sa Romila.
bitterness, I start thinking I'm being put to the test. For there is nothing without love, and without love, I am nothing. There's a melody that comes from above, one that eases my aching. It comes and goes, it has passed many times through warm lips and hands held on a beachside with someone from my past. Could it be that I'm under a spell? I love only for myself, but can't imagine a world without love. One dark and dim, with no whispers goodnight and no rainbows or doves. I used to say, if I'm incarnate of the sun and they made up the moon, the eclipse would come sooner at the expense of the tide. But eclipses are never meant to stay, so I walked away every time and seeked a different ride. Large spoons will eventually rust when drenched with salt water. There are ashes to ashes, dust to dust, heart to heart, and more to ponder. Yet one has been constant. Love overflows in the one who fills the rest of my heart. It still yearns to topple the dominoes that are perfectly set inches apart. But when the dominoes fall, the last will always be caught by a tender hand, one I can always call when the melody comes to a halt. And perhaps that hand will suffice to ease the bitter taste of solitude. My confidant, my other half, the pair in my dice, my Clara, our bond will never be subdued. Thus, maybe a friendship holds more love than anything ever could. Several sets of suitors, yet none ever truly suit me like being alone would. I love only for myself, but can't imagine a world without love. That should be alright. No need for rainbows or signs from above. And I've grown tired of the stanzas and the form-fitting ways. I'm tired of the rhymes, and I'm tired of playing any more games. I can live my life as I wish, day by day. And tonight, as I stare at the moon, I only have one thing to say. If the sun is incarnate of my body and they made up the moon, my love was overdue. For now, the tide can continue as it wishes, drowning out the remnants of the false smiles. For if I ever meet the right one, the eclipse will come sooner at the expense of the tide.
Minsan sa may kalayaan tayo'y magkatagpuan. May mga sariling gimik at kanya-kanyang hangad sa buhay. Sa ilalim ng isang bubong, mga sikretong ibinubulong. Kahit na anong mangyayari, kahit na saan ka man patungo. Ngunit ngayon, kay bilis malabo ng kahapon. Sana'y huwag kalimutan, dahil ng ating pinagsamahan. At kung sakaling ipitin ay laging iisipin na minsan tayo ay naging tunay na magkaibigan. Uy! Classmates! Auri mo nila! anong gawin. Lahat ng bagay ay merong hangganan. Dahil ngayon, kahit bilis makalahon ng kahapon, sana'y huwag kalimutan. Ibahin ang ating pinagsamahan. Dahil kung sakaling mapadaan baga, ikaw ay aking tawagan. Dahil minsan tayo ay naging tunay na magkaibigan. Kumusta siya na? Hey, Barbara, maybe I can get you someone. My Sylvia, how can I say that you are mine? Hey, Beverly, I took it from what I can see. Hey, Stephanie, so you wanna dance with me? I don't care what they say, I'm just trying to be one of the boys. So you can't change your mind. You can never stand alone in the dark. So dance now, baby. Give it all and I'm not sorry. Dance now, baby. Give it all and I'm not sorry.
Ready na ba?
Ready na kayo?
Sige. 1, 2, 3, 4.
It's hard to believe until you told me that
It's so hard to believe. You told me that your suffering is what you get for living. I want my life to be this way. Just a little bit of love that means so much. Oh, please don't take it all away. But with your heaven is still close enough to touch. Because your love is still the only thing that matters in this world. The only thing I can believe. It's so hard to believe. It's so hard to believe. I want my life to be this way. Just a little bit of love would mean so much. Oh, please don't take it all away. But with your heaven is still close enough to touch. Because your love is still the only thing that matters in this world. The only thing I can believe. The only thing I can believe. The only thing I can believe. Huwag kang matakot. Di mo ba alam na dito lang ako sa iyong tabi? Dapat babayaan kailanman. Ikaw ay nahulog sa akin. Nasulit kita. Huwag kang matakot na natulog mag-isa. Kasama mo naman ako. Huwag kang manalo. Kasama mo naman ako. Huwag kang matakot. Huwag kang matakot. Dahil ang buhay mo ay walang makapangyarihan. Ang pag-ibig na hawak mo sa'yo. Ikaw ang Diyos at hari ng iyong mundo. Natakot sila sa'yo. Kung matakot na matulog ang isa, kasama mo naman ako. Huwag kang matakot sa mga kasama mo naman ako. Huwag kang matakot na
Clar, kanusta ka hanap ko makita ang para sa ako ano? Mahuman na lang ang school year. Wala gihapit tarong na taong isulod sa akong kinabuhi.
Saling bagay ko kaya siya maikukumpara ng marahan. Marahil ay kumbaga sa isang napakaginaw na kagabihan kung saan tanging ingay ay katahimikan lamang siya ang nagsisilbing kumot at unan habang dahan-dahan umuugoy ang duyan at ang lamparang pinagmumulan ng kaalinsangan na dalay liwanag upang pawiin ang kadiliman. Aking aaminin na ako ay nasanay na sana sa lamig. Nasanay na akong indahin ang mga mapapanglaw na gabing kay lungkot at walang kahimig-himig. Hanggang sa siya'y aking makilala. At sa hindi may paliwanag na dahilan ay tila ba ang ginaw sa aking mga gabi ay dagliang nawala. Sa katunayan ay kahit noong una pa, tila hindi na mawari kung paano napakagaan ang aking loob sa tuwing siya'y kasama. Huling-huli niya ang aking kiliti kahit wala siyang ginagawa. Tipong pagpasok na lang sa pito, ang ngiti ay hindi na matagal sa aking mukha. At matapos ang sandaang pagtanggi, naamin ko sa sarili na ako'y nahulog na nga. Sapagkat may natatagi sa kanya na hindi ko maitukoy. Kislap ng kanyang mga mata at ngiti tila may kapangyarihang makalmahin ang kalakasan ng ilog na dumadaloy. Sa silid na puno ng mga tao, mga matay sa kanya lang nakapako ang tingin. At bawat sandali napapaisip ako kung gaano kaswerte ang pipiliin niyang ibigin. Pagkakamali kung ako ang magiging tao ngayon sa mata ng karamihan. Dahil para sa kanilang magmahal ng kapwa pareho ang kasarian ay isang malaking kasalanan. Pero sa totoo lang, handa naman akong maging makasalanan sa kanilang paningin. Kung katubas ito'y may pagkinalang kahit tagal ko ng lihim na pagtingin. Subalit, parang imposible pa rin maipahiwatig sa kanya itong nararamdaman. Sapagkat alam ko sa sarili, pagtingin niya sa akin, tanging hanggang kaibigan lamang. At hindi rin naman sa hinihiling kong maging higit doon. Dahil gusto ko naman talagang maituring niyang kaibigan. Nais kong maipadama sa kanya na ako'y nandirito at handa upang maging kanyang sandalan na hindi kagaya ng iba. Ako'y nandito upang manatili at hindi siya iwan. Ngunit ako'y pinapangunahan ng katakutan. Mainam ba talagang isugal ang tiyak na kasalukuyan sa walang kasiguraduhang kinabukasan? Paano kung masira po ang pagkakaibigan na meron tayo? Hindi ko yata kakayanin makita kang lumayo. Maaari bang dito ka na lang habang buhay? Shirley, ako'y nagsusumamo.
Musta mo guys? Damang-dama na ang nito. Di ba ba'y sapat ang sakit at lahat? Hindi ko ipararasin. Ibinubunyag ka ng iyong mata, sumisigaw ng